Hey guys, so there was a local library that uh, they was supposed to do like a book sale, but due to all the coronavirus and everything, they postponed it. So I gave them a call and they said, "Listen, come and check out our inventory." And now I'm almost there, and I might buy all the items in the library that are for sale. So I just gave him a call, just a quick call, and I said, worst case, they said no. So what do I have to lose, right? So I'm on my way. I'm like 2 minutes away. I don't think they're gonna let me film theirs, but I'll do another video right after, and I'll keep you posted. So that deal went pretty well. As you can see, everything in my car is basically packed. Let me show you the back. So I'm a little far away from my office, so it will take me like an hour to get there, but I'll explain everything about what happened and how I got this deal, what I paid. I'll explain everything. So I'll see you in a bit. So I'm back at the office. I took all the stuff out. I had to pack stuff for eBay and Amazon, and I'm about to leave for a lead. The lady that has the houses, she gave me a call, and I'm about to go there. So as you can see, we're probably going to move pretty soon, sooner than later. So we'll have to deal with that in the coming couple of days. But this is what we got from the library. They're all packed with CDs and DVDs, and CDs and DVDs, some Blu-rays also. And also we got to give them a call back regarding the books, because they have a lot of books. They have about like 2,000 books, and we need to let them know if we want to take the books. Sorry about that. If we want to take the books or pass on them. But for all those DVDs and CDs, I think roughly there are about more or less, I would say 12 to 1500 items. We paid them $300. A little more than I usually pay or wanted to pay, but it's a library, so one thing, everything goes to good cause. All the money goes to the programs that are doing for kids and youth in the area. So it's my area, so it's good. And also, you want to build relationships, so sometimes you have to bite the bullet. So you pay a little extra, but they know you're a good guy, and they're probably gonna contact me again. So I just want to figure out how to deal with the books, because they have about 2 pallets, about 100 boxes of books. About 2,000 books in total. So I have to see how to do it logistically, and also it's in the basement. So the entire library is in the basement, basically. So that's going to be interesting. So I'll need to look at that. So how did I got this deal? Basically, I went to see if they have a sale. They supposed to have a sale. They had a sale coming up in March, and as you know, everything came, all the COVID health crisis happened, and I gave them a call and I said, listen, I know you had a book sale coming up, but you probably cancel it. So do you have any inventory to sell? And they said, well, let me check. They spoke with the library director. They called me back, and a couple of days later, I set up an appointment with them to see what's what do they have basically. I went through some of the books. I went through some of the CDs. The CDs and DVDs I knew I could take right now in my private car, so it was no biggie. I just paid and took the things. But the books are a little more a little tougher to handle. So basically that's what you gotta do. You gotta call. You gotta hear no's. Most of my road, my business journey was getting no's. The more no's you get, the more chances you have to get one single yes, which will make you a lot of money. That's how I got into wholesale. I bought an item from a retail store, and suddenly they restricted the item, so I didn't know what to do. I contacted the manufacturer, and that's it. I had an account that I'm still doing a lot of business with. I'm spending a few good thousands of dollars monthly, and I'm getting a lot of sales because of that single account, that single mistake. I bought something and it was restricted, so that's how I got it. So the moral of the story is that you gotta take chances. You gotta go. You gotta hustle. You gotta call people. You're probably gonna hear more no's than yeses, but that's part of the game, So this is it. Just see if a library had a sale. They probably didn't do it because of the restrictions. Just give them a call. Say you want to buy the inventory. Go look at the inventory. If it's good enough, buy it. If it's not, maybe buy it even if it's not good enough, just to build a relationship. It all depends on your cash flow. If you have the money to spare to develop a relationship, maybe it's worth it. That's it, guys. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and also subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you, guys.